Innovation today. Sunday, grasslands. Innovation today here at HDNI Australia, which is Hale Downs networking industry. We have new inspirational innovation on a daily basis for the list below in the description box. Feel free to drop down and follow the links or the prompts. This list consists of farming, innovation for farming, innovation for agriculture, innovation for soils, innovation for properties, and innovation for landowners. We are innovating better results for the list above. Anything in regards to growing in soil throughout any location in the world. Hale Downs Networking Industry Australia is leading a whole new way for sustainable grasslands. Our networking industry is creating billionaire farmers through quality services provided by knowledge and daily trials with successful practices. And it works hard for you. Contact our innovation team on 0474 029 597 to come up with programs and solutions for your property, or feel free to give us the reins on your property and we will program your land into sustainable futures on grasslands and provide abundance for you as the farmer, which in turn provides profitability and new age income.